Hey guys, so we are going to be starting with our eyelids. So the first thing we are going to be doing is using our MAC concealer on our eyelids. So right now, as you can see, I'm just blending it in with this golden brush. Next, we are going to be using this orangey, orange crush type of color eyeshadow, and I'm just dabbing that on the end of my eyelids, as you can see. What I'm doing right now, dab 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 dab, yes girl. Now I am wiping it, sliding it across my eyelids everywhere. I'm just gonna dab on the bottom right at the corner of my eyelids, and just rub a dub dub right there. As you can see right now, I'm still blending because what else am I gonna do? So I am blending now. As you can see, it kind of looks like a sunset. Can you tell what I'm talking about? Yes, a sunset. I'm just trying to do my best here, so please do not judge me. The next color we are going to be using is this like reddish, reddish brownish. It's more on the red side. Okay, I'm going to stop here. So we are just dabbing that at the end of our eyelids again. We are just going to apply it on top of our orange color, whatever that's called. And as you can see, just doing the same process as we've done before. So I'm just gonna keep brushing that on my eyelids. As you can see, don't mind that little white speck on the bottom, but we will fix that up later on. So as you can see, I'm just waving my brush back and forth to get that beautiful motion in my eyelids. Yes, girl, yes. So as you can see now, I'm just gonna apply it further down. Next, I'm using this Revelation, whatever it's called, concealer for my eyes, and I'm just gonna put that on the top of my eyelids. I think that's concealer. I might be wrong, guys. Don't judge me. But we are just gonna apply that along the eyeshadow that we just applied. I don't know what's going on here. I think she made a mistake, but I might be wrong. So we are just gonna be doing that right now. And yes, girl, as you can see, we're using a fine tip brush, and we are just like applying that to our eyelids, as I said before. I think we are trying to make this glowy highlighted version like across our eyelids right now, but I'm not sure if I'm right. Sorry if I keep saying I'm not sure, because I do not know what the heck half of these items are, so don't mind me, please. So as you can see right now, I am just gonna keep doing the same process over and over again because I gotta make this perfect. And I'm just dabbing it with that, like, my pinky, of course, because what else am I gonna use? So yes, that is what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I am trying my best right here to make it look the best. Of course, guys, don't mind me. So I'm just applying the same red, whatever it's called, eyeshadow on top and layering it, fixing up the bad spots. Next, I'm gonna use this lit. Okay, moving on. We're gonna use this dark blue. It's like no, not sky blue. I don't know what it's called, but to be honest with you guys, oh, royal blue. Okay, we're gonna use this royal blue eyeshadow, and we're just applying that to the bottom of our eyes. We're gonna use this, I'm not sure what that is, guys. Sorry about that. Next, we're gonna put our falsies on. Now we're gonna put our highlight. I think that's highlighter. Yes, we are gonna put that highlight. Don't mind. I think it went in my eye, but we don't need to talk about that. I don't know what I'm applying on my face right now, but I think it's primer. Yes, I think that's primer, guys. So we are just applying that all over our face to keep it moisturized and everything. Next, we are using this NYX, I don't even know, foundation concealer. No, I think that's foundation. Yes, we are going to be using that on our face right now. Just put as much as you think you need. I don't know the measurements. Next, use a brush, a beauty blender. I like to use this beauty blender, guys. We are going to do this professionally. Okay, whatever. So we are just dabbing that again, rub a dub dub, and we are just getting all those scars, pimples covered, because who needs that, girl? No one needs to see those. So we are just gonna keep doing that to our face, because what else are we gonna do? So yes, I'm just doing it on my nose, now around my lips, jawline, cheekbones, forehead. Next we are gonna do, I think this is a contour stick. I'm not sure if I'm right, but I think this is a contour stick. Same brand as before. I don't know the names. Don't mind me. And we're just gonna apply that to our nose, our cheekbones, you know, whatever. We gotta make them look poppin'. And yes, I'm just gonna make these lines, little eyelashes formation. Now we're gonna put it under our lips, on our forehead, as you can see right now. You know, gotta cover it up. And now I'm just using this brush, doing it in such a beautiful motion, you know, just up, down, down to up, down, down, whatever I'm even saying. And I'm just, you know, blending that all together. And now I'm taking some selfies to show you guys what I'm up to. And yes, so continuing on, we are gonna blend the other side of our cheekbone, and we're gonna do the same process as we did on the other cheekbone. So now we are moving on to our nose, of course. And yes, look at that contour. Okay, just flinch your nose like that. You need it, girl. You need it. Okay, so I'm writing my mistakes that I've done. Now I'm singing because I have nothing else to do, and I sound horrible. That's why I did not show this part. And I'm dancing now, apparently. Okay, and now, sorry guys, now I'm just blending my forehead, contour, whatever it's, and it's looking pretty fine. Okay, something just dropped from the ceiling. Okay, I think this is concealer. We're just gonna put it under our eyelids, because who got to see those bags, huh? Or wrinkles, I don't even know. But we gotta hide them, so that's why I'm using the concealer. Guys, don't even think you're like, after you use this concealer, you're gonna look like a goddess. Like, no one's gonna see that you haven't slept in like 48 hours. No one's gonna tell, because you're gonna look flawless. So now I'm just applying that to my nose, to the sides, you know, to the nose cheeks, and we are applying it under our lip, and on top our lip, on top of our lips, and we are gonna blend it out. As you can see, we're looking really good right now. Yes, yes. Just make sure you don't get it like mixed with the eyeshadow, or that's gonna look really yeah, that's just gonna look pretty damn horrible. So yeah, just follow my tips, guys. So when we're done the other side, we are gonna do the other side. So one to another. Yes. So as you can see, I'm singing again, minding my own business, and now I'm applying and, you know, blending and whatever. Did I just say applying? Okay. We are blending our other, whatever it's called. Okay, now we're doing our nose. Okay, interesting. Now we're gonna use MAC. Oh, what was that? MAC powder. MAC powder. Okay. I guess this is setting like the foundation concealer in place. I'm not sure. I think that's what we're trying to do. Yes, I almost gave it away. Okay, so we are just applying that to our cheekbones, chin, under our eyes, nose, forehead, everywhere that you want to set the, I guess powder just helps it all come together, I guess. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I don't know what this stuff is, but I think it's to hide wrinkles or under eye. And I think now we're just using some bronzer. Oh, I think this is a bronzer. A bronzer, come in. Yes, a bronzer. And we are gonna apply to our cheekbones, and yes, we're gonna leave that stuff under our eyes just like that, because we don't need to blend it. And I'm just gonna apply the bronzer to my forehead, because we gotta look flawless, right? So yeah, after I'm done that, we are just gonna, oops, I lied to you guys. I lied to y'all. I lied. We are actually gonna, you know, brush out that white stuff that we just applied. I think the under eye thing. I don't even, yes. So we're just gonna apply, you know, blend it. And oh, wait 1 second. We got this beautiful mascara that we're gonna apply to our lower lashes. And girl, this will transform your life, like literally transform your life. This helps so much. Now we're gonna use the Anastasia blush kit. I think that's what it is. Yes, blush palette. Yes. Okay, so we're just gonna apply it. I use this really chill color, you know, we don't want something too much. Now we're just using this eyeliner. I think that's eyeliner. Yes, we're gonna apply that to the inside of our eyeballs. No, not eyeballs. Eyes, I guess that's what you call it. Yes. And now I'm just doing it to the second eye. Make sure you don't poke your eye with this, because you know you don't want that to happen, and this can go very wrong if you don't be careful. Okay, something else just dropped from the ceiling. Oh, setting spray. Oh my lord, setting spray. Okay, we are gonna set all of this in place. Next, we are gonna use the Anastasia highlighter palette, I think. Yes. Okay, yeah, we rubbing it all in. Girl, we gotta make it look like a masterpiece. So we applying the Gucci all over our face. Okay, now to our nose, you know, gotta make that little tip. It gotta be shiny. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, I put it all over my face where I want my face to glow. You guys can do this even on your neck, you know. Yes, but you know, we're not gonna show our necks, so we're not gonna do that. But yes, we are perfectly looking. Oh my lord. Now moving on to our lips, we are using this I think this is a lip liner. Is this a lip liner? I think this is a lip liner. We are just, it's like a really nice nude blush type of color, and it's like kind of peachy at the same time. So we're just gonna outline our lips with this beauty, and I think oh, we're applying it to our lips too, you know. Gotta make it look nice. And yes, it's looking pretty fine. Now we're just outlining the shape of our lips, and now we are applying some lip gloss. I'm not sure where this is from, but it'll be tagged somewhere on the screen. It'll pop up or whatever. So this is a really like sparkly, you know, lip gloss, and that's the end, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this look. It took me a really long time. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Cause you get wild, wild, wild. You looking like there's nothing that you won't do. Puro chantaje, puro chantaje. Siempre es a tu manera. Yo te quiero que no quiero.